Hey, 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 hey. Get my basket. It's another one, y'all. It's another great morning start off. Oh, this is a $20 order, y'all. Oh, good for me to start off on. So yeah, I'm gonna get this thing started on quick, y'all, where we can go ahead on and, cause we gotta get this one of them days we gotta get rolling. Midweek. Um, the week has been pretty cool. Started off pretty slow on Monday, to be honest with you. So yeah, so I'm gonna get the pumping today. And like I said, this is just a $20 order or whatever. It's two orders. That's why I always keep my basket at the bottom. And we're gonna do this thing and get this thing out the way. I rarely would have accepted this, but I always tell you just to go ahead and get your day started. Just go ahead and do what you got to do. So this is like I'll say this is like a wake up, if you want to call it that. Okay, let's be. Hey, okay. Yeah, they're saying 20 minutes on this. I'm thinking this thing in and out. I'm gonna do this in about, I'm gonna say 10. Give me 10 minutes, y'all. Hey, man, now. Yeah, give me 10 minutes, y'all. I'm gonna have this done, have this out the way. Now this done. Somebody's eating spaghetti tonight. I always tell y'all to kind of pay attention to that. And I pay attention for a reason. Because if they're buying everything that's got to do with spaghetti, you know they are doing spaghetti. So you want to make sure you get everything anyway, but you want to make sure you're getting certain stuff. Well, yeah. There we go. Two, three, four. Yeah, we finna get in and get out real quick. To be honest with you, got to. I'm trying to get this order in, and I'm trying to hurry up and get out and get another one before 8 something. Oh, no. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get another order in out this way after this, but I'm gonna try. One thing about me, I'm always gonna push the limit. Okay, okay, you go. Okay. Yeah, we got a couple more in produce, and we almost We ain't that far from out here. Y'all hold your horses up with me. Sometimes you got to be a little patient with me. 1.0. Cause shit, this is one of those get in, get outs. Boom, let's go. Oh, didn't see these. These right here are really, really good, those sweet rings. When you put them in your salad and just, they are really, really good. Okay now. Okay, y'all. Okay, they said 20 minutes and they lied. Yeah, that's what they told you. Ooh. You all right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. They didn't have many of them, but they had that one. This must be a good day for the customer because as of right now, they got everything that these two customers wanted. And we're down 2 items, so hopefully they got it's very, very light up here. Can you see me? I'm at 6 minutes if you can see it. And they said 20. That's why they don't need me. Come on, Skittles, where you at? Here we go. Here we go, Skittles. You know, they don't, I'm glad that they don't have me doing this timing thing because they putting in 20 minutes and I'll be done say, that's a 10-minute shop. And they'll be like, no. And it's just me. I'm just fast like that. Okay. They have had everything this far. 5 cheese. Uh-oh, here we go. I love when these customers get everything. That easy. Shop is done. Shop over. Shop is over. That's how you start your morning off. That's how you drive. I remember they said that on Bad Boys. That's how you drive. That's how you shop. You shop them quick, you get them in, you get them out, and you deliver to these customers because they deserve a good delivery and a good shop when they go online and spend their money and request this stuff. That's how you shop. Until next time, I'll see you again. Holla, bye-bye now.